Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma are raising concerns over the changing demography in the state, where he says that earlier there was a Muslim population of 12% in the year 1951, but it has now drastically increased and gone up to nearly 40% in the current year.
देखिए, बदलते डेमोग्राफी मेरे लिए, मैं असम से आया हूँ, ये मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा मुद्दा है। इसलिए मैं असम में, बंगाल में हर दिन मेरा असम में मुस्लिम पॉपुलेशन 40% हो चुका है। 1951 में 12%, आज असम में मुस्लिम पॉपुलेशन 40%। हम जिला की जिला खो चुका है। तो मेरे लिए ये मुद्दा पॉलिटिकल नहीं है, मेरे लिए ये जीना और मरने का मुद्दा है। इसलिए मैंने उसका साथ ही हर दिन संघर्ष करता हूँ।
Well, Mohit, the Assam Chief Minister calling it as a situation which involves a matter of life and death when it comes to changing demographics in a state.
Well, yes, in fact, and Amita, you see, this is not the first time that any BJP leader has come out and spoken about the demographic change. We have seen earlier also statement coming in from various leaders, but Himanta Biswa Sarma was speaking in Ranchi, and we know for a fact that in Jharkhand also, which goes to poll in few months from now, BJP has been raising the questions of the demographic change, that how the population of the Hindu community is going down. Now, Himanta Biswa Sarma stated that in 1951, the Muslim population was less over there in Assam. We have also lost many districts, and now it's around 40%. It's a matter of life and death. This is what Himanta Biswa Sarma has said. It's a very strong and serious statement that has come in from Himanta Biswa Sarma. But you see, earlier also he has raised questions on the demographic change, and perhaps that is why we saw that how after the implementation of the CAA, how Himanta Biswa Sarma welcomed it, and we know that we have to wait and watch, Amita, that how the opposition parties will react to this. Now, this comes on a day when Suvendu Adhikari, another BJP leader, has spoken about that how Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas is not working for the BJP on the ground, and he also went on to say that there should not be any minority morcha within the BJP. Now, Himanta Biswa Sarma saying that the demographic change is a matter of life and death, and he has spoken about that how the population of Muslims have gone to 40% now, and the demographic change in Assam is changing in a rapid phase. So we have to wait and watch how will the opposition react to this. Opposition surely will come out and attack the BJP. But yes, this is not the first time when the BJP leader has come out openly and spoken about the demographic change. Now we saw that few days ago RSS came out and they also spoke about the demographic change and said that there should be a common population policy. So are we heading into that direction? That remains to be seen. So we have to wait and watch, Amita, what exactly the opposition party leaders will have to say on a very strong statement that has coming in from Himanta Biswa Sarma. Back to you.
Because he's been saying that it is not a matter of politics for him. It's a matter that concerns life and death. And of course, such statements that have been made in the past as well by the Chief Minister, Mohit, where he has been also talking about how there is a significant amount of population that will also come in from the neighboring country.
Yes. Well, yes, in fact, he has spoken about this also, and he has spoken about that how people from Bangladesh have come into Assam. He has spoken about Rohingyas coming into Assam, and he also goes on to say today that we have lost many districts because of the demographic change. So clearly, in terms of the electoral politics also, Amita, this statement is very, very significant. So he goes on to say that in 1951, the Muslim population was around 12%. 1951 was the first census of the independent India, and today the Muslim population in Assam has gone up to 40%. It's not a matter of politics for me. He says it's a matter of life and death. So it's a very strong statement coming in from a chief minister of a state. And as you said, that's not the first time. Earlier also he has spoken about the demographic change and influx of refugees from other countries who have been given the citizenship of the country in the Congress government. So we have seen how BJP has attacked the Congress party earlier, specifically in the state of Assam and few other states of Northeast and West Bengal also.
On that statement that has been made by the Assam Chief Minister, raising concerns over the changing demographics in the state of Assam. For the moment, Mohit, thank you very much for joining in. You're watching Times Now. We will be back after a short break.